Welcome on Cricket Studio channel. Australia was India 4 Test Day 1. Australia good start. Australia strong start. Jasprit Bumrah triple strike shakes. Jasprit Bumrah proved to be the force India bowls attack yet wet again on the first day of the India vs Australia Boxing Day Test match at the historic Melbourne Cricket Ground. Jasprit Bumrah managed Jasprit Bumrah managed to claim three important wickets to call it a decent day for the Indian team. By the end of day one, Australia posted a solid score of 311 in overs 86 overs of play. Australia debutant Sam Constars, Marnus Usman Khwaja and Steve Smith played important innings of 50s to make their way. Bumrah back-to-back wickets coming after tea in the third season. Jasprit Bumrah rattled the stump of Travis Head with the sniping nip backer. Bumrah claimed Michael Marsh how to a pull shot and had Usman Khwaja caught behind, contributing to India effort in curbing the Australia inning. Debutant Constar's dazzles. Sam Constal stole the show is the morning season with the fearless batting display marking up. One 1 minute wait. Marking a sensational debut, uh, partnering with Usman Khwaja. Constas showed his aggressive flair and innovative stroke play, leaving the India bowlers in a conundrum despite being relatively young and net new to the format. Constas drove the India bowlers with is employing ramp shot and reverse to keep the scoreboard. Taking his skillful innings of 60 gave a solid foundation to the Kangaroos. Smith and Marnus Labuschagne steadied the ship after Constas and Khwaja departure. Marnus and Steve Smith to charge of consolidating the Australia inning. Labuschagne with his typical solid and measured approach frustrated and India bowlers constructing a valuable partnership with Smith. Their combined resilience and grit helped Australia register a good first day total. Labuschagne 72 was important in the middle order gap after Khwaja exit, with Smith in beaten 68 spot. Australia's standing further as the day progressed. They pair handily India spinners wisely. Jadeja bring the breakthrough with a Constar Sunday sport. Ravindra Jadeja and Washington Sundar were important in applying critical break to Australia run flow at critical time. Sundar included to strike a balance. India XI justifies his presence, taking the prize wicket of Labuschagne. How edge one to Kohli at slip from Sundar legs length outside of Jadeja chipped in with the wicket of debutant Sam Constas, the aggressive young opener before he could inflict more damage thanks to his guile and accurate bowling. Both all-rounder held in economy under check, maintaining sustained pressure over the Australia batsmen. The day closure. By the end of the day, Australia positioned themselves at 311 runs, 6 wicket down in 86 overs with Smith and Pat Cummins steady at the crease. All through the India attack, particularly Bumrah, made significant inroad. Australia navigated the challenge well to finish the day positively. Carey Brisk 31 of 41 has also provided a time buffer to the Australia total. The second new ball taken late in the done by Daiban the second new ball taken late in the day more minimal while for India's Cummins and Stark remained sharp and managed to survive Jasprit Bumrah last spell. Close on a live streaming